Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find iPhone with same Apple ID. And if you want to find the location of one iPhone from the another iPhone which have the same Apple ID, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to simply make sure that you have click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to look for privacy and security here. So here you have to simply click on that, and here you have to simply click on privacy and security, and you have to make sure that you have turned on the location services. Moreover, you can simply click on tracking, and here you can simply check whether you have allowed the tracking. And after that, you can simply check for the Find My location, which means you have allowed the location services to find my. And after that, you can simply go to settings and you have to again click on name or Apple ID here. So here you have to simply find all the iPhone which you are connected to your Apple ID. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Find My. And after that, you can simply go to the people and you have to simply provide the location. But before doing that, you have to make sure that both of the devices are connected to Find My, which means you have allowed the location services on both on for Find My. And after that, you can also share the location to from one iPhone to another. After that, you will be able to check the location of that person, and here you can also check the items, and you can also check the devices. So for example, if you want to check the location, then you can simply click on that device, and after that, that device location will be shown to you at once. So in this way, you can simply check the location and track the location of an iPhone which is connected to the same Apple ID. So in this way, you can simply solve the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.